What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping to the next one on our Beste Zangers journey. This is Miss Montreal singing "Lightning Crashes." I searched everywhere for the actual dialogue portion of this one. Did not see it, so we're gonna jump in. I definitely know the song "Lightning Crashes." Let's see what she did with it.
Lightning crashes, and no more the cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion that was hers before the doctor can't even close the door.
First off, I really, really love when she sings in her low, like this low register. Like, this is a perfect song for that register. 100%. This is just one of those songs that will always, always be alive. And this is one of those songs that, like, well, anybody from my era definitely knows this song. This is one of those songs, the songs that reach out and touch you, the songs that reach out and they have some sort of significance to people out there. That kind of song. Very, very, I love it. Like the low register is perfect for this song. 100% matched up.
The confusion that was hers before the doctor can't even close the door.
Got some good notes coming up too, though.
Lightning crashes, an old mother died. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel opens her eyes.
There it is.
The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall.
Oh.
And oh, now I feel it, I'm coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wheels, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it.
Wow.
Lightning crashes, and no more the cry.
Oh, come on now, standing up. I see some standing up.
All these moments she's been waiting for.
Feel it. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know what that means, she's standing up. Listen, when people sit down and sing, that compresses their diaphragm. And even though some of them are really badass at throwing that voice around while they're sitting down, aka floor, once they stand up, you know that's when they're gonna get it. You know that's when it's gonna come. The power is going to be there because the ability for the power is there.
The angel opens her eyes.
Yeah, let's go.
Pale blue colored eyes presents the circle of the glorious to hide, hide, hide. Oh, now I feel it coming back again, like a
beat. I saw it, but she didn't miss the beat. Come on, pal. Oh. We are damn sure gonna have to check out some more from Miss Montreal 100%. You guys let me know where we're going next. This was awesome. Like I said, hey, that low register is perfect for this song because the male that sings the original, sings in a slightly lower register through most of it until he gets to those notes. Like I said, I told you I was coming when she stood up. I knew it was coming. I'm loving this show for real. I love all of the recommendations. I love all of the content and the back and forth with people in the comment sections. You guys are awesome. Definitely appreciate you for being here. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos over here. Subscribe right down here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Definitely let me know what other Bestie Songers content you want to see. And until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.